Hello everyone, myself Vishal Yadav, a third year undergraduate student, specialization in electronics engineering. This Future Ready Talent Internship provides me a way to learn Azure technology systematically and thus increase my skill to make me future ready. For this program, I have developed web-based application on real estate marketplace company to buy the properties in different areas. Before coming to the demo part, I have used Github as a version control tool to fetch the content from my website. Here are the repositories that I have created, and also I have used Microsoft Azure as a cloud service, and I have used static web apps to deploy that. On this portal interface, here is the URL of that I have deployed the website. Click on the URL, it will redirect to the main page of the website. Now you can see that it has over 4 pages: home, about, and service and contact section. In the home section, you can explore the property experts of the real estate marketers, and in the about section we take care of property management and mortgage services and consulting services, and in the service section we provide large infrastructure in various way, like affordable urban houses, home metric way, and luxurious apartment, etc. And you can contact us. Here are the contact details. You can contact us, and also you can subscribe to our newsletter for daily updates. Thank you so much for patiently listening.